How to fix my Disney Experience app not working. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your app store. In the source bar, search for Disney Experience. Head over to this application. Right here instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you are facing some issues. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Once the application is up to date, now the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into General. Head over to iPhone storage. And then over here, search for the application Disney World or Disney Experience. Once you find it, head over to it. Click on Offload App. It will clear the storage and the cache of this application. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all the unwanted bugs, and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing. If you are still facing the issue, then what you want to do is uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will definitely fix the issue, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix Disney Experience app not working. Well, make sure to smash the like button, and please consider subscribing our channel if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.